Presenting a pre-owned 2003 Ford F-150 Lariat. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and a 4-speed automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 175,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This 2003 Ford F-150 Lariat comes equipped with a powerful Triton 5.4 V8 engine, boasting 260 horsepower and 350 feet-pounds of torque for reliable performance. With below 175,000 miles on the odometer, averaging less than 8,000 miles per year, this truck offers good mileage for its age. The Lariat trim level offers a range of factory default features including premium leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, a multifunction steering wheel, dual-zone climate control, a premium sound system, and a convenient center console with storage compartments. The exterior features chrome accents, alloy wheels, and a bed liner. Overall, this 2003 Ford F-150 Lariat is in excellent condition, making it a solid choice for those in need of a dependable and well-equipped pickup truck. Tim's Toys LLC, 126 Utah Street, NE, Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87108, 505-308-8257. Key features include power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, and power door locks.